Now it's time to create and refine your elevator pitch, following a similar process to that of generating and refining a cover letter. Start by selecting your resume and job description, then click to generate. Once that's complete, you can refine it by selecting it and clicking again. However, keep in mind that the elevator pitch is primarily used in face-to-face or remote interview settings, as it will be delivered verbally rather than in written form. You need to present your elevator pitch clearly and compellingly when asked to briefly explain your self-selling point. Therefore, we recommend memorizing your pitch and practicing it. For instance, you can rehearse in front of a mirror or ask friends to conduct a mock interview with you. If you feel it's essential to use an AI interviewer, be sure to protect your sensitive facial information to avoid becoming a potential victim of deepfake technology or scams. After completing your elevator pitch refinement, it emphasizes the importance of speaking confidently. While AI tools like ChatGPT can easily help you modify your written documents, they have limitations when it comes to enhancing your public speaking skills. In this AI era, it's crucial to dedicate time to learning and practicing your public speaking abilities, and most importantly, to approach it with confidence.